So, guys, hello again to another episode of AI tools. I am launching out my fourth version of my podcast, so still on the very beginning. But I found here a new topic which is quite interesting in terms of web design. I'm a web designer by myself, so AI will take over our jobs. That's what we know. In this case, I'm watching out for the developments and also will test the systems if it's useful or not, because there's still a big gap between real web designers, programmers, and AI tools to accomplish complex website tasks or even simple websites which have a broader sense of technology inside, or some custom functions which are useful, for instance, online shops and stuff like this, which are included in drag and drop builders already, like Wix and what else we know. These systems I'm not a fan of course, because it was already years ago kind of taking our jobs away, but only for the average customers who only want a simple website out of the box of like a custom uh, building block system. And of course, this makes sense to integrate this in a chatbot. So here I found this post today on X from Farhan, and this very funny meme of WordPress and this new tool called Rejig. So WordPress site, the guy is really on the limit with all his stuff around lying, like all the paperwork and the scripts and the Git notice. So, funny thing is, the Farhan himself is on the board on the top, but on the right, on the Vjik, the kind of guy is more young and seems to wank off a lot. Here I have some very strange picture on the top, and a lot of towels, stuff like I don't want to talk about on the floor. Anyway, he seems to have more time in his life due to this new tool. So this is kind of funny, but let's dive into the real tool. With here, this will bring us to a new realm of web design. Just have a look. So this is the site of Vjik.ai. Magic your site chat by chat. Product of the month, product of the week, and product of the day. Probably, I don't know where, but seems to be on Product Hunt maybe. So this is the state-of-the-art web designer with a chatbot, and we have to test it now. To show you upfront what I did, there was here a boho shop which I rendered out, so it's quite impressive what it does. It just create text and images and align them in a grid. So as you can see, it can create repetitive things, and also the standard layout like call to action and overlay appearance with shadows, and also star rating from customers and then also the locations and the footer, which social media, it's not so bad. The layout is just not really filling my monitor, so it's quite limited everything, and this I want to show you now. Of course it's limited and it's still at the beginning, so still it is very interesting how it works. So let's try to make a website about a food truck. It's probably the simplest way to find the images which fit the topic. So website for a burger food truck in Lisbon with order management and location site with social media and menu overview page with pictures of the burgers. So start. Takes a bit. And coming closer. So still thinking. Hello. This is Kimi. It seems to be the website builder. It's strange that Kimi is inside WeCheck, so these names are not related at all. I don't like to end up in a total different app inside the app, but anyway, they named the chatbot Kimi, and this is the assistant. So, which kind of website you want? Product display, a highlighting business team introduction, or customer reviews, or landing page with time and location. Yeah, that's what we want, and we click on it, and actually this result gets transferred just in the chat and the bottom, and we send this back to the chatbot. So okay. So I hope the session is still working. Because of free credits, I had to use another Google account and start from scratch. So an event and landing page with time and location. This is what we want. And let's send this back to the chatbot again. So he's thinking. So this is just a notice that we are in the free plan, and it will tell me how this works. I think maps and directions was the idea. Send this out. And it's thinking, so great choice. always writes in a personalized style, always to the name, which is a bit weird, but okay. Yeah, it asked me again what kind of website, so I say again that is for a burger called Red Raw Vegan Beetroot Burgers. And let's see what happens. Okay. Love your taste, Red Raw Vegan Beetroot Burgers. It is. What language? Okay, that will be English in this case. I don't care. And it's actually writing very slow. This I experienced before already. Anyway, this probably improve over time. I don't know. It's probably all self-hosted chatbot and LLM in the background. Perfecto sounds a bit strange English. English it is. So here's the game plan. Website name, website language, website type, event, location, maps, and direction. Sounds good. So let's have some amazingness, and we only have to say okay now. Send this back. And then the magic happens. This chatbot really assembles the website now. And on the left side appears the page with another new kind of character. I don't know what blob this could be, but from the square it goes to a triangle. Okay, kinda funny, but still more confusing. Could be all one character in my opinion, especially on the beginning of the whole setup, maybe on the start page, and this character could have the name Vijig, no? Anyway, so here it started assembling this because of course I type in red raw vegan beetroot burgers. It make the color in beetroot, which is very fitting to and matching to what I said. This is not bad. Then we see the first picture is a burger. This is obviously not the beetroot burger because there is also meat inside, some bacon. This is not vegan. Anyway, it only looks for burger pictures. So join us for delicious vegan treats. Find out where the food truck will be next day. So this is very fitting. Then 100% vegan. Track our truck. Nice and community favorite. So it's loved by vegans and non-vegans alike. Okay, yeah, non-vegans also eat vegan food sometimes. So track us, view gallery, and your ultimate destination for vegan beetroot burger delights. Track our food truck, view our gallery, and get in touch with us. Nice. So find the food truck, current location. This is amazing. I mean, the map is not really focused, but doesn't matter. In the first point, maybe it's an API problem. And our delicious creations. Also, I see now it created the website in a full page view, but it shifts to the left here, something missing on the right, so probably it's not really like defined borders. on all sections. Still some things to improve, but not bad. So get in touch, email us, call us, chat with us. Then the best vegan burgers I've ever had. This is all the reviews, very nice. And then home, event details, or story, menu, contact. Okay, this makes sense. I like this already, like it is. So then we can go click here to go back to editing. We are back in the chatbot, and it starts writing again, very slow, but it will go in a conversation with me now about what it did. And yeah, actually I'm really impressed about the logo, because this is really a beetroot kinda logo with a burger. This is really good logo for that. Impressive. Here the standard waves is not really fitting, maybe resembles a bacon, I don't know. More waves, but I know these elements exist in other apps already, and it's very boring to see always the same elements. Also here I'm not sure how this corner radius is assembled in the different fields, but okay, mostly the buttons have a different corner radius. I will accept this. Everything else looks quite in shape. So let's see here. It says, "Woohoo, Simon, your website Retro Vegan Beetroot Burgers is up and cooking." So it always has a joke according to what the topic is. This is very funny. And so you can now select the web section and preview the area of the left and ask what to change, and I will help completing it. So you can also select image complete simple content adjustments. So the top of the left display area can complete website publishing, and if you need any tweaks, rate and well, then tell me. So this is already very funny and nice approach. So everything is good, but here I want to add my favorite chili burger, and let's see if it reacts when I click on it. Yes. Yeah, editing, nice. And here it suggests me already some predefined options. Let's put my picture bit up. So we can say center text, add image with text. Yeah, okay, center text would be a good idea. And let's do this. Center text and add a section with chili beetroot burger. So send this out. It's working, something is moving. So the result comes through, so the chili beetroot burger is added, but the picture is actually not really matching it. So we can say again center text, because it didn't do it before. It already gave me 3 options here, and that's what it does for most changes. So you can choose this, like B, let's see, and C. Not sure if there's any difference between them. Yes, the picture. But this is, if you click again on A, it makes a random new picture. I experienced this already. So probably eventually you find the right one if you click many times on it, but it's probably not choosing the exact picture what I'm asking for. So this is random pictures of landscapes. We'll try now to change all the pictures according to the title. So change all pictures to match the title of each section. And it was thinking. This runs quite fast. Also the picture selection gets drawn from a stock library, free stock library, I guess. Yeah, okay. Here we have again random pictures and one burger picture. So it says done, but it will also suggest me more options, I guess. Yeah, so here we can choose again another option. Yeah, I see already the pictures are not matching, and C also not. There you see it's still with the picture selection, it's not really accurate, but then probably at the end you can put your own pictures in it. So it's a bit better, it's all food except the first one, but it's not the burger, right? Let's leave it like this. Now this we cannot really adjust well, but still wanted to center the text. This didn't work through. It centered only the title. Probably that's what it understood. Here in the burger menu, can move the section up and down, copy or delete the section. So actually I want to move it up and to have the menu before the location. Seems to work. Alright, great. Look, I just told him to center the list of images and now it worked. It centered the whole list. Amazing. This looks perfectly aligned. And really was the last step. I think the layout is done. Yeah, you have here the option to preview this for mobile. Yep. All right. Mobile preview is also everything responsive. Amazing. I think this is all the building blocks which it assembles, but it's really possible to arrange things only with typing in the chatbot, and this makes really things very easy and no code editor for the average user, easy to understand. Yeah, so this whole site looks quite amazing. Not sure if we can test the scrolling as, but it's a sliding gallery. This is cool. Also, the active section is highlighted and the rest is a bit grayed out. This is also very good. So, in terms of UX, I think they have a good team. So, yeah, we have here event details and our story, so we probably change the page now to the next one, if it's possible. Yes. Then it's assemble it new. It seems they have to go through the website like this and create page by page. Makes sense. We have here a new kind of layout on top, view schedule, and then our journey numbers, events, happy customers, cities visited, all makes sense. And stay connected, our locations, FAQs, very good. And how can I book the truck for private event? Good. To offer gluten-free options, very good. What the preparation hours? Good. Where can I find your food truck? Also good. This is really nice. Here the picture didn't load, probably it's broken or it's still loading. Yeah, I think sometimes the pictures are broken, but here's the little icon to let the magic happen, to regenerate the whole section. And let's do this. So, what happened now? New style and original to compare. Before was better, no? So I go back to this layout. The other one was a bit too adventurous. Now I try to change the picture with a prompt. Okay, change the picture to match a safety beetroot burger. It should be able to do that. Alright, this is not a beetroot burger. Okay, but again, the options here give you some choices. This is definitely a burger. Let's say it is a beetroot burger, okay, not so bad. At least it found some burger pictures in the stock library. So then we are almost done with this page, I think. This looks okay. Yeah, in the our story page, same problem, the pictures are broken. Okay, I told them change image to a food truck. Almost now. Yeah, actually it found a burger picture, but not a food truck picture. There still be some problems finding pictures, but the rest is all almost okay. I will start publishing it now and let's see what happens. So, congratulations, the website is published and here's the link. So, let's have a look how this looks on the front end. So, the website is finished and ready to go. So, probably all these links are dead links, but this your location. There's no link active, of course. This still trackers. This is a link. Land details. Alright. Find us on the map. And our locations. Yeah, it's almost a website. Let's see our story. Okay, the dead links are still dead. No pictures. Here the gallery. Yeah, cannot click in them, but this is all the second option, I think. There's the menu. This was also interesting, but this is not linked. So this you have to link to other pages or get the license to the pro version. And contact us is also not linked. Okay, I think we can edit the page again. Yeah, I saw the map is interactive, but it's not editable where the map is pointing to. But probably you need to upgrade to change the settings. I'm not sure. But let's say altogether it's a nice logo creation, the layout is okay, the responsiveness is okay, the option to chat with each section is working, and it actually does what you ask for. So probably also the fine-tuning is possible if you upgrade and have more credits. It's a very interesting concept of designing a website, and this is of course the future. It will be that simple to make a website and also change all the implemented functions and like snippets to create like amazing widgets or map integration, whatever. I think we are here on the path of getting websites done in that way, and so let's keep an eye on this. And also I encourage you to try out this tool because it is really fun to create a website like this, and probably also for your clients. Yeah, leave it like this now. See you in the next episode, and I'll show you again the logo what it was creating. This is really awesome that this is included and also available to download as a transparent PNG. Yeah, great stuff, great stuff. Let's have a look about the future and what comes up in the next days in creating websites with AI and chatbots. Thank you, bye bye.